Hello brothers and sisters, this is a continuation of HTML forms. In the previous tutorial, you learned how to add a file select box to your form. In this tutorial, you will learn select boxes. So, select box displays items as a drop-down list and allows users to select one or more options. So, select box is defined by a select tag, as you can see here. And then we have the options here with option tag, right? You can see the option tag is opened and closed here, right? And then we have the values that are being displayed. Now we have this Juba, Nairobi, Kampala, Khartoum, Kigali, right? So this one, you can select an option here. Let me say H3. Select a city. Yeah, now you can select a city, right? You can say Juba, Nairobi, Kampala, right? That is about select box. So it allows you to select an option here. Okay, that's all for this tutorial. In the next tutorial, I will teach you grouping form data. So we can group the controls that are related, okay? So that's what I will teach you, and that will mark the end of HTML form. So I will see you there.